So our scroll animation is looking kind of nice. So I think I'm going to bring it back into Unity and see how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to push an A to select all. We will file, export as an FBX. I think I'm going to try to keep the materials and have them go with the model. So I'm going to switch from auto to copy and make sure that my embed textures is checked. I'll check selected objects. I think I'm okay with what I have armature selected as. I don't think I need the leaf bones. And I'm going to check bake animation. And for my purposes right now, I have NLA strips unchecked and all actions unchecked. The NLA strips, I don't have multiple animations at the moment, just one, word furls and unfurls. Haven't decided how I'm going to deal with that going forward, but I'll figure that out next, I suppose. I'll go ahead and I'll export FBX. Back in Unity, let's find our latest scroll. Let's drag it into our assets and see what we have. I can see that it looks like there's texture there, but I don't have the actual image applied. I think I'll just pop into an FBX viewer online and let's just take a look and see. Yeah, it looks like the texture is applied to it. So if I go into Blender and I go to my materials, we can confirm the location of that image. And then maybe what I'll just do is find that image and drag it into Unity and see what happens. Well, there we go. And now if I come back and I apply my animator to the scroll, we have something that works pretty well.